Welcome back to the lush greens of Mangalore, where the magic of flavors and traditions come to life. Today, let's dive into the fascinating world of banana plants, a truly selfless plant where every part serves a purpose. Of course, we all know and love the bananas, the sweet, energy packed, delightful fruit. But did you know that the purple colored banana flower is not just a visual delight but also a powerhouse of nutrition? Click the link above or in the description section below for its recipe. Moving on to the leaves, they have countless uses, from serving vibrant meals on them during celebrations to being used for packaging, steaming, grilling. These leaves are a symbol of tradition and respect for nature. And finally, the star of our show today, the banana stem. Often considered waste, it's packed with fiber and nutrients. Growing up, I remember seeing my grandmother use banana stem in various dishes. It wasn't just about affordability, it was about respecting nature's bounty. This recipe isn't just about a delicious curry, it's about appreciating the hidden potential within humble ingredients. Let's embark on this culinary journey together. Today we will be making a Mangalorean style banana stem curry which is so flavorful that it will surprise you with its hidden depths and unique textures and will leave you wondering why you hadn't tried this sooner. Okay, firstly we need to peel the banana stem till we see the clean white part inside and then start chopping it. Make sure you remove the white hair-like structures as much as possible as it is very chewy and fibrous, and then chop it very finely. Add it to some water as soon as you chop it to prevent it from browning. With the passage of time, many treasured recipes have been lost. I myself did not know that banana stem is edible. Hence I decided to share the recipe with you. If you like what I share, consider subscribing to my channel and leave suggestions on how I can improve it. Today we'll be adding some sprouted horse gram as an accompaniment for banana stem to double up its nutritional value. You can even use green moong or any sprouts that you have. We will pressure cook this for around 4 to 5 whistles by adding some asafoetida or hing and some salt. Now let's move on to making the masala paste for the recipe. Take some coconut oil and add in 1 tablespoon of chana dal, 1 teaspoon urad dal, 12 to 15 curry leaves, 3 cloves of garlic, 6 to 7 Byadagi or Kashmiri chilies, 2 tablespoons coriander seeds, quarter teaspoon fenugreek seeds or methi, 1 tablespoon cumin seeds or jeera, half teaspoon mustard seeds. Fry them for 30 to 40 seconds till they turn aromatic. Now add 1 cup of freshly grated coconut to it, which is around 250 grams of freshly grated coconut. Fry it for a minute and then let all the spices cool down. To this, add a small lime-sized piece of tamarind. Blend all of them into a very smooth paste, adding some water. Moving on to making the curry. Here we have taken the water that we had used to boil the horse gram and we will be adding around 1 tablespoon of jaggery to it. Add some salt and then add the cut banana stem pieces. Add 1 onion and 1 tomato finely chopped. Mix it well. Cover and cook for 5 minutes till the banana stem is nearly 50% cooked. Now after 5 minutes, we will add the pressure cooked sprouted horse gram. Mix it well. Banana stem is an excellent source of dietary fiber. It helps detox toxins from the body, helps in prevention of kidney stones, manages diabetes, controls blood pressure and improves kidney function, thus making it a very healthy addition to your diet. Check for salt and add more if required. Now add the masala paste that we had prepared. Add around a glass of water. Mix it well. While tasting it, we felt that it needed some more jaggery and hence we are adding it now. Mix it all well and cook it for another 3 to 5 minutes till it comes to a rolling boil. Once it gets a boil, let's prepare the tadka for the curry. Take some coconut oil, splutter some mustard seeds, some cumin seeds, some urad dal, few cloves of garlic, some hing and some curry leaves. Garlic is totally optional, you can totally skip the garlic in this recipe. Now add it to the curry. Cover it and let it rest for 10 to 15 minutes before you serve it. And then the Mangalore style banana stem curry or the Bombay Gassi is ready to be savoured with delight. Believe me, this dish carries the essence of temple food, simple yet divine. Banana stem contains essential vitamins and minerals such as vitamin B6, vitamin C and iron, contributing to overall health and well-being. Our ancestors were so clever and resourceful that they would make the most of every resource that nature has to offer. So the next time you come across a banana stem or a banana flower, Seize the opportunity to explore these time-honored recipes. Let's keep the tradition alive and savor the flavors of our heritage. Do try this recipe and let me know in the comment section about your opinions and any suggestions if you have for me. Thank you for liking the video and subscribing to my channel. Leave any suggestions in the comment section below.